kailangan sineserve pa yan sa parties, diba? At sa mga abogado. So we received it today. So we have 10 days from today to file the comment. But tayo naman, we have been working on the comment. So kung hindi naman kailangan tapusin yung 10 days, hindi naman na natin tatapusin yung 10 days. As long as we're comfortable already with the comment that we have, we will file our comment. But definitely within the period provided.
Pero sir, sorry, panghuli na lang. Paano po ninyo pinaghahandaan kung sakali po na yung maging desisyon ng Korte Suprema hindi po pabor kay VP Sara?
Business as usual lang po kasi actually matagal na kami naghahanda. Simula pa po nung Pebrero, regular na pong nagkikita ang defense team. Of course, it also helps that we're working with Fortuna Narvasa Salazar, which is a law firm in itself and has its systems in place na. So naging madali yung mga collaboration at coordination namin. So matagal na po namin pinaghahandaan yan. In fact, we were ready to go to trial. So kung sakali man na ma-reverse yung decision, makakaasa naman po kayo na handa naman po yung depensa ni VP Sara.